In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete your Google AdSense account. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. So, let's jump right into it. Deleting your AdSense account might seem a bit daunting, but I promise I'll walk you through each step clearly and simply. Whether you've moved on to other ventures or just want to tidy up your online accounts, this process can be done in just a few minutes. First things first, you'll want to start by signing in. Head on over to the official Google AdSense website. Once you're there, sign in with the specific account you want to delete. If you have multiple accounts, it's crucial to make sure you're using the correct one. Once you're signed in, the next step is to navigate to the account information section. Look at the left-hand menu on the dashboard. You should see an option labeled Account. Click on that, and once the menu expands, select Account Information. This is where all your account-related details and options will be located. Now, here's where it gets a bit more interesting. Scroll down to the bottom of the account information page. You should see an option that says Close Account. This is crucial because this step initiates the process of permanently closing your account. Go ahead and click on that option. But before you move forward, let's take a moment to discuss what happens next. Once you've clicked Close Account, you'll need to review the final payment details. This is really important because if you're expecting a final payout, you'll need to have reached at least the $100 payment threshold. If your account balance is below that, you can still proceed without receiving any payment. So take a moment to check your balance. If you're okay with it, you can move on to the final step. Finally, you'll need to finalize the closure. What you'll see next is a checkbox that requires you to confirm that you understand what closing your account entails. Make sure to read through any notifications carefully. Once you've done that, go ahead and check the box. After that, click on Close My Account. This action will permanently deactivate your AdSense account. And that's it. You've successfully deleted your Google AdSense account. It's always a good idea to keep these things organized, and sometimes part of that organization means letting go of old accounts that you no longer use. Remember, deleting your AdSense account is permanent, so make sure you're certain before taking this step. If you found this video helpful, do me a favor and hit that like button. Also, subscribe for more content like this. If you have any questions or if there's anything else you want to know, feel free to drop a comment below. I'm always happy to help. Thank you for watching, and good luck with your online